Korah is a person who has attained the most important possession on earth, a person who has possessed treasures and property to an extent that most people might desire throughout their lives, but never achieve as much as he did. The Almighty says, so he came out before his people in his adornment. Of course, that adornment is very dazzling. People said, Ya layta lana mithla ma utiya karuna, if only we had what Korah was given. This is the perspective I mentioned earlier. That is, someone who is dependent on material things, ignores their finite and exhaustible nature, believes they will be happy with them, and seeks permanence in them. Allah, the mighty and majestic, states in the Quran, وَلَكِنَهُ أَخْلَدَ إِلَى الْأَرْضِ, turning to the earth with infinite expectations. Because think about it, can a being that harbors infinite expectations within itself fulfill its infinite expectations? In a limited environment like this earth, infinite expectations cannot be met with a limited existence. But what happens if one thinks they can? What happens if they think so? What happens if he thinks of himself that way? It happens that way. What happens if he deceives and misleads himself? Therefore, turning to the earth with infinite expectations is equivalent to being able to see. Hallucinations, it means deceiving oneself and being able to deceive one's thought system, which many people succeed in doing. Most of us manage to do this. That is, we can turn to the earth with such expectations, and this destroys our awareness from that moment on. A conscious perspective towards our own future is being developed.